Hey guys, Airsoft-Addiction here today. I'm doing a quick Airsoft-Club unboxing. It averaged out to be around $81, and got my new knife. I hope the camera angle's fine. I'm using my Tachyon, and I just got a tripod mount, so I hope y'all like that. I'm not sure if the angle's right though. But yeah. My knife is almost brand new, so it's like really sharp. Got a few things. Let's start off with this one. As y'all know, Airsoft-Club packages is really good. They package really well. So that's bad and good. Mostly good though. Alright. EOTech holographic weapons sight. Seems legit. I can figure out how to open this. No. There we go. Here we go. Cleaning cloth. Manual and crap. One CR123A battery. I hope this one's not crappy. Okay, and an Allen key, which I already have like 5 of them, or like 2 sets of Allen keys, and the EOTech itself. Ooh, it's hot from being in the truck. This is the XPS 3-2 version. So it's like smaller than a 5.51. The battery's not in it yet. Let me just put it in there real quick and see if I can get a demo. I'm not sure which way it goes in. I think it goes in this way. Alright, let's see. There we go. Whoa, it's like way... It's not adjusted very well. As a... I don't know if y'all can see it. I don't know if y'all can see it there, but I'm gonna see if I can get it. It's really big, and it is red and green. It isn't very adjusted. I don't know, y'all probably can't see it, but it does work. It's just not adjusted very well right now. So I have to just adjust the right and left with these two things. It does have a quick detach mount, which I'll figure out how to use, but okay, let's go on to the other stuff. This is just kind of accessories for it that you kind of need for it, but they package really good. I got the charger and battery and charger for, I'm not going to take it out of the package. It's the Ultrafire charger for two, and it comes with two CR123A batteries for the EOTech. So I wanted to get the rechargeable ones, obviously, but yeah, so that's pretty much it. I'm looking for something else, though. I don't think they shipped something. I think they didn't ship something. Oh well. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys later.